Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can start mining Bitcoin for free as a beginner. This is very, very simple. I'm going to show you two different applications that are going to do this for you on autopilot in the background, 100% for free. This works on everybody's PCs, whether you have a Windows PC or a Mac. You can start mining Bitcoin today and start earning free Bitcoin. You guys, make sure that you stick with me through this entire video because I'm also going to share exactly what I'm doing to earn passive income every single day, up to $1,000 a day. Some folks are even making $1 million a month. So if that gets you excited, you want to stick with me through this entire video. So without further ado, let's get started. Whoa, hold up real quickly here. Before I reveal to you these brand new two applications to start mining Bitcoin for free, 100% in the background, you guys, I need you to do me one huge favor, and that's make sure that you've absolutely crushed that thumbs up until it turns blue. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with brand new videos every single week teaching you the best money-making strategies online, you guys, teaching you how to earn free Bitcoin every single week. Now, after you've done that, make sure that you drop me a comment and make sure that you share this video out on social media with your friends, your family. That way we can help as many people as possible make money online, earn free Bitcoin, because my goal on this channel is to absolutely set you financially free so that you never have to depend on your employer's paycheck ever again. Have a complete life of freedom. Now, as promised, without further ado, let's get into these brand new two free applications to start mining free Bitcoin. All right, first up here, we have this application called Honey Miner. You guys, this is brand new stuff right here. I don't see anybody out there on the internet talking about this. And what this does is it turns everybody with a PC, whether it's Windows or a Mac, into a professional miner of free Bitcoin, you guys. Now, what's going to happen here, I want to keep this really simple because it really is simple. Let's not overcomplicate this at all. All you're going to do is click on this green button right here where it says Start Earning Now. And as you can see, it's available for Windows and Macs. You're going to download the software. Now, what's going to happen is after you install the software, you're simply going to toggle this button right here that says to start mining. This program is going to work for you completely in the background. It's going to use some of your computer's resources to mine cryptocurrency, all kinds of different cryptocurrency. It's going to automatically convert that into Bitcoin, and then it's going to send it back to your Bitcoin account. So literally, all you have to have is a PC. Now, one key thing I do want to mention about Honey Miner right here is the better PC that you have, the more cryptocurrency that you can possibly earn, right? So if you have a high-end gaming PC, you can mine more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency faster and easier. If you have a laptop or if you have an older computer, it's still going to work for you. Just understand you're not going to earn as much. So that's basically what's happening here, you guys. It takes literally a minute to get signed up. You become an expert miner literally just like that by installing the software. It used to take all kinds of sophisticated equipment, and you had to spend all kinds of money on power, and you had to have a place to actually put all of this crazy equipment. Now you can turn your home PC into a mining machine and start earning free Bitcoin. And right now is one of the best times to start earning free Bitcoin, you guys. A whole revolution is coming. I'm not going to get into all that right now, but start researching Bitcoin. There's a whole movement coming, and there's a lot of money to be made. So turn your home PC into a Bitcoin mining machine, you guys. Literally, they break it down right here. If you didn't understand what I just said, you're literally going to join the community. The Honey Miner software, proprietary software, is going to run on your PC. You're going to share the extra power, CPU and GPU power from your computer, and it's going to mine crypto for you in the background, convert it into Bitcoin, and then it's going to send it back to your Bitcoin account, you guys. I'm also going to leave a link down in the description of this video to everything that we're talking about today, and I'm also going to give you my #1 recommended crypto wallet, Coinbase.com. I'll leave a link down there for you as well. This is where you buy, sell, and hold all of your cryptocurrency, so that you're going to need this because this is where you're going to send all of your cryptocurrency back to actually hold on to that, right? So they give a little example right here as to how much you could possibly be earning, right? In 5 years, you could earn 6,519. 10 years, you could be earning up to 22,000. And you can toggle this little thing right here. This is depending on how much Bitcoin goes up over time. And by the way, people are predicting that it's supposed to rise phenomenally. Right now, Bitcoin's trading around $11,700. They're saying literally within a year or two, Bitcoin could be worth $100,000 for one Bitcoin. So what do you think that does to these numbers right here, you guys? Yes, it can absolutely go through the roof, skyrocket. And there's a lot of data saying that this is possible. That's just my opinion. Do your own research and educate yourself. But right now they're saying you can make anywhere from $15 to $75 per month, depending on the speed of your PC. One other thing I wanted to share with you about Honey Miner that I absolutely recommend that you do is you refer other people to this. Once you download it and you see how easy it is to start mining free Bitcoin with your home PC, you're going to be excited about it. Now, literally, they're going to give you your own referral link within the program. You click on that, it's going to give you your own URL. You take that, you share it on social media, and you just tell people, how you're mining free Bitcoin. Be honest. And tell them, I'm earning free Bitcoin with this really cool program. I turned my home PC into a free mining Bitcoin machine. And you can do the exact same thing. Just click on this link and install it. Now, when they do that, what's going to happen is you're going to start earning a percentage of all the Bitcoin that they're mining as well. For your tier 1, you're going to earn up to 10%, right? 10% of all the earnings that they're earning already. This is how you leverage your time and effort, you guys. It's a great way to expand and make even more free Bitcoin. Now, if that person refers somebody, you're going to earn 5% of that other person's Bitcoin as well. So earn up to 15% literally of free Bitcoin. And now one other really cool thing as well, if you click on the link down in the description of this video, to get over here to Honey Miner and you sign up, you're gonna get 1,000 free Satoshi literally for just clicking the link that I've left down in the description of this video and installing Honey Miner. They're gonna give you 1,000 free Satoshi. Now, I know I promised you 2 different applications that would help you mine Bitcoin as a beginner 100% for free, and that's why I have to show you CryptoTab Browser, you guys. I've been using this for quite a while. It's a great way to mine free Bitcoin as a beginner. It happens on autopilot in the background simply while you're browsing the web. It looks and feels just like Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox. You barely even notice the difference. It's very lightweight, it's very fast. The only difference is with CryptoTab Browser right here, while you're browsing the internet, surfing the web, watching YouTube videos, doing your homework, doing your shopping, whatever you do online, nothing special that you have to do as long as you have it running. And by the way, I highly recommend that you set this as your default browser, because the more that you're using it, the more it's going to be mining Bitcoin for free in the background, earning you more and more Bitcoin, you guys. It's very, very simple, very easy to do, nothing special that you have to do at all. Again, I've left links down in the description to everything that we're talking about today. So I'll have CryptoTab Browser down there. I'll have Honey Miner down there. You can click those links, get these installed, get them configured, and start earning free Bitcoin. Now, one other little trick that I want to show you about CryptoTab Browser is kind of similar to Honey Miner in the sense that they're going to give you your own little affiliate link that you can take out there and put on the internet and share with your friends, your family, and start earning a percentage of all of the Bitcoin mining that they're doing as well. That's why I want to take you over here to this income calculator right here. Again, we're on CryptoTab Browser, as you can see. Let me move this window down so you can see this. But you can earn a significant amount of money by simply just referring this out with your affiliate link. So what we're going to do, I'm going to leave this at 5. You can toggle these numbers right here. I'm going to leave it at 5. But you can move these around, right? All it's saying is basically the number of new users invited by you. So we're going to say literally that we're just going to invite 5 new users, 5 people that you know that might be interested in earning free Bitcoin and installing CryptoTab Browser on their PC. All you're going to do is hit calculate my income right here, and it's going to run this through here. And you can see here how much this plays out, how significant amount of money, free Bitcoin, you can be earning literally just by sharing your affiliate link right here. So as you can see, you shared it with 5 friends, and those 5 friends shared it with 5 friends, and so on, right? Let's say it doesn't even make it all the way down here, right? Let's just say it only goes 4 rows deep. You shared it with 5 people, those people shared it with 5 people, and 5 people, and 5 people, so on, right? 125 people, right? You'd be earning $25 approximately per month extra, literally for just sharing the link. If it went 1 more row deep, you could be earning $250 per month, literally for just sharing that as well, and start earning a percentage of what those folks are mining as well. I just wanted to put this out there. If it happened to go all the way down 10 rows deep right here, you were really good at getting the word out and people kept doing this, you could be potentially earning $40,636 in free Bitcoin every single month. That's 3.52 Bitcoin, you guys. Literally passive income. This is the best kind of income right here. This is the kind of income you make literally while you're sleeping. I love this kind of income. It's honestly what I do in another version, literally with affiliate marketing, to earn a significant amount of income. I want you to understand one thing here. About a year ago, I got serious about starting my very own online business. And I knew the best, fastest way that I could do this was literally to copy somebody else that was already successful and already knew what they were doing, right? I didn't want to fumble around anymore trying to do things myself. I just wanted a blueprint, a step-by-step process, someone telling me, hey, just do this. Put your left foot in front of your right foot. And then you, literally a blueprint, you guys. You understand what a blueprint is, right? When you build a house, you literally have a blueprint that tells you where everything goes. That way you get the end result is exactly what you wanted. And that's what I wanted. That's what I was seeking out. And if you know anything about my story, I want you to understand, I spent 15 years literally browsing the web, doing all kinds of different crazy businesses. I spent some time in real estate. I did MLMs, buying all kinds of different crazy products, chasing around my friends and family, trying to get them to buy those products. People literally shut the door in my face and people started avoiding me. I know you probably know what this is like, and I want to help you avoid that. I want to give you the truth, and I want you to literally find financial freedom, you guys. That's why I started this channel, and it really means a lot to me to help as many people find financial freedom, have passive income, and literally get time freedom back on their side so you can enjoy your life and do the things that are most important to you, whatever that is, whether it's hanging out with your spouse, your kids, going fishing, boating, whatever you enjoy in life, being able to call the shots in your life and instead of spending all your time punching into a time clock to make somebody else rich. You guys, invest in yourself. If this is you, if you want to get started today, if that gets you excited and you want to do this, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description. It's in the top of the description, you guys. That's where I got started. And in literally 15 days, you can have your very own online business started and start earning your very own passive income with your own online business. I cannot recommend this enough. Get started today. That's all I have for you today. I hope you found a lot of value. Again, make sure that you're subscribed. Hit that bell notification. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, your family, and drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. Let me know what you thought. That's all I have for you. I will see you on the next one. Peace.